What is Loban? Loban is just an ingredient that comes out from a specific tree. And this Loban, when you burn it and when you just ensure that the smoke of that burning Loban spreads across your home, then the whole Vastu, the whole aura is spiritualized, and no ghost, no negative energies, no black magic spell can wait as long as you do this Loban. They cannot stay. The negative energy cannot stay. So to do this Loban, you need 4 ingredients or 4 items. The first is the charcoal. You will get it in a puja item shop, charcoal. The second is the Loban. This is the real material. This is that holy Loban. It comes in this kind of granules. So you will have to crush it. And so to crush it, you need this. In this you can crush it. You put those granules in it and just crush it and make a powder of it. Like this. And after you do this, then you need to burn this charcoal on a stove. Burn it until it becomes red. And then you should put this burning charcoal on this. You'll get this also in the shop that sells all the puja items. In this you put this burning charcoal. And when it starts burning, and then on this burning charcoal, you put this crushed powder. And then you will see the smoke coming out of this. And you spread this smoke across your house, across your home. This is the way of doing Loban. You need 4 items: charcoal, Loban, the Loban pot in which you will do Loban, and the 4th is crusher, to crush it into a powder. So now I am going to show you the actual demo. So let's go. So as you can see, I have put this charcoal on this burning stove. This is how you have to keep at least for 5 to 10 minutes until the charcoal becomes completely red, burning hot. So now I have this burning hot charcoal in this aluminum vessel, and on that I will be pouring this Loban powder. So you see, this is how the smoke comes. There is a beautiful aroma to this, a holy feeling to this. And then you have to just move this around your entire house, even in your bathrooms, so that every corner of your house remains purified. Every corner of your house remains pure. So just keep moving this across your house. There is a beautiful aroma to this, a fragrance to this. This is how you do Loban. If you go to any dargah, if you visit any dargah, you will see that during the evening time, they always do this Loban. No negative energies, no black magic can stay in your house. No spell can remain if you continue to do this Loban every evening in your house. I thought to make this video for my close followers. Even though you are staying outside India, you can always buy this Loban from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box, just so that you can buy this Loban and you can start doing Loban in your house every evening. I personally love Loban and I have experienced great results, positive results by doing this Loban every evening. And remember one thing, cleansing is a part of our life. If you observe closely, then this human body needs to be cleaned with water. Similarly, the inner being needs to be cleansed through meditation, through chanting.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.